Welcome to my room in Carman.
Hi, my name is Akshay.
And I'm Gabe.
And welcome to Carman.
Here is the room itself. Columbia furnishes our rooms here, first with a desk, as well as the bed itself, of course. We also get a dresser, which is really convenient, but it's not quite big enough, so we also get one of these dressers as well, which is nice for keeping all of your hangable clothes. The view is probably one of the best parts about living in this room here at Carman. The sun comes right in through the window, and looking down to the left here, it's an incredible view of New York City itself, probably unparalleled in almost any other part of Carman. The room itself is incredibly spacious. Of course, I share this space with my roommate. In general, it's just a great place to come back and relax after a long day of hard work and socializing.
So this is what our living space looks like. We have a double, which means that I have a bed over here and my roommate Gabe has a bed over here. So Carman comes equipped with a desk right by the bed for each person and a little wardrobe here that everybody can use. Unfortunately, we live on a lower floor, so we don't get as good of a view, but the benefit is that we can easily get down to the lower floors as quickly as we can. And this makes it useful because our laundry room is in the basement, so we can kind of just get there really quickly. A lot less work of carrying clothes, and just whenever we want to leave the building, you can just sprint down the stairs. We'll be out there in like 15 seconds.